Be ready, start. I have every sympathy with the authors who, in this country, live under very difficult circumstances, but we have also to consider the interests of posterity, the future generations stop. We must consider the interests of our society in general stop. If we think of the authors only and make this right coextensive with the term of the copyright, that would be the result question mark. Probably the authors may gain, but it will be detrimental to the general interests of the society stop. I am therefore satisfied with the amendment which has been moved by my friend stop. It meets the interests of the authors. It also meets the interests of the general public stop. We have to reconcile the conflicting interests stop Stenja. Now, Professor Rao raised an interesting point with regard to the reassignment of the copyright of a publication stop. It is quite true that in this country, authors under very difficult circumstances sometimes part with their work for practically nothing stop. They are being exploited by the publishers stop. There is no denying that fact, and it was with this in view that in the original bill the government put forward a proposal that after a period of 7 years the author could get back the copyright stop. This question was very thoroughly examined in the joint committee, and there were representatives in it of the various interests, including the author themselves. Stop Stenja. The committee felt that if this provision for the reassignment of the copyright to the author was accepted, it was work against the interests of the authors themselves. Stop over. Dictation from Kailash Chandra at the speed 100 WPM.